How you doing, everybody? Hope all is well. Just thought I would record a little uh, video bit. I guess not really behind the scenes, but just a little bit of talk and whatnot. Have any of you ever had or gone through difficulty where you're trying to figure out what to build, or maybe where you're lacking the motivation to to get into the shop? I know that every now and then I go through a little bit of that. I go through that little bit of lack of motivation, and it's tough. And it's almost like you got to kind of reset a little bit. I mean, between doing woodworking after hours on weekends, in addition to working a full time job, it can be a lot. And the being in the wood shop, it really is relaxing, but sometimes it can be hard to find motivation just to do that. So I think that sometimes what you need to do is just recharge a little bit, take a day, and just to breathe, to focus on yourself, and look at some inspiration. Look at other people that are doing videos. Um, have a look at Pinterest. Pull up some project ideas. Good one for me is take a look around your house. See what you need. Rather than buy it, why not build it? So motivation can be tough, but it's important to make sure that you push yourself to get back out there. Because if you lose that motivation, um, it's just not fun anymore. And you've also got to be careful, because if you're planning on taking your woodworking hobby to the next level, where you want to start selling at markets and all kinds of other places, and online and that sort of stuff, your woodworking turns into a business. And if it turns into a business, is it as relaxing as you wanted it to be? For me, sometimes I just enjoy coming out to the shop and not sitting here per se, but grabbing my sketchbook and just drawing some ideas while I've got music playing in the background. It's just a little bit of an escape. And then it's still relaxing, but it's really important to find that balance. So if you're feeling a loss of motivation at any time to get out to the shop, um, to be creative, um, if you can't find a reason to do it, if you can't find a way to motivate yourself, you know what? Just go out there anyways. Just force yourself to go out there and go into your shop. And if you've got space and a chair, sit down, chill a little bit, and look around your shop. Look at the materials that you've got, the tools that you've got, and you might actually be surprised and get some motivation just from the things that you look at in your shop, right? Or it could be from the tools, it could be from the different materials. But look around in your shop and think to yourself, what is it in my shop that I can maybe make a little bit better, to make it a little bit easier, to help motivate me just that little bit extra? And maybe that's all you need to get your motivation going. I know I'm kind of rambling on here, but it's a big thing. Woodworking is an enjoyable and relaxing hobby to have. It really is. Um, but you want to make sure that it stays that way. The moment you feel like it's turning into a job and you're not enjoying it anymore, take a day. Don't go out to the shop. Reset yourself. Find your new motivation, your new want to do it, and then just get out and do it. So, like I said, sometimes those are roadblocks that I run into. And I think sometimes we all do. Finding that motivation, finding those ideas, figuring out, why am I out here? Why do I want to keep building? What is it that I want to build? And I think that's something that all of us come across at one point or another. But you know what? Just do it. Just build it. Just get out to the garage, get out to your shop, find something, and just start cutting random things. And eventually, ideas might come together, or they might not come together at all. I've got these wood blocks here and I haven't figured out anything for them yet. I'll show you another one that I've got that I started was this. And I don't know why, I don't know what my plan was for this, but I just made it as something that right now sits on a table. And so I have no idea what to do with this, but you know what? That's okay. Because I'm letting it sit on that back table, because one day I'm going to come into my shop, I'm going to look at this and I'm going to go, that's what I have to do with that piece. So I tend to accumulate a little bit of a pile of ideas in my shop, but there's absolutely nothing wrong with that. Take something like this and gain inspiration from it. I mean, I could cut the top of this flush and turn this into a little table. I could turn it into a plant holder. I could flip it upside down like this, cut the bottom flush, put a piece across the bottom, and then a bigger piece on the top. And now I've got some sort of other kind of table. Who knows what it might turn out to be. The important thing is that you just push forward and you find that motivation, you find that inspiration to keep doing what it is that you really enjoy doing, and to make sure that you still enjoy it and that it doesn't come across as a job, because when it comes across as a job, kind of takes the fun out of it. Anyways, I think that's enough of a rant for me, but just something that I wanted to share, and you know, just from my view. And I don't know if some of you can relate. Maybe you can, maybe you can't. That's okay. Either way, but just get out there, just do it, just build it, and have fun with it.